If you're trying to sell a service online but struggling to get clients, this video will make things a lot easier. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Instantly AI to sell services. We'll cover how to find potential clients, set up automated outreach campaign, and also start selling your services step by step. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along. So, what is Instantly AI? Instantly AI is a cold email outreach tool that helps you send emails at scale, manage campaigns, and also reach potential clients automatically. Once you're signed up, this is how your dashboard will look. And once you have the service that you want to sell in mind, whether it be social media management, website design, lead generation, copywriting, or any skill that you already have, it's time to zone in on your potential client. To find your potential client, once you're signed in, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. With Instantly AI, they have a super search feature. So you're going to tap on super search. From there, you can search via job titles. You can also search by location, as you can see right here. So I'll just be removing the filters that I have at the moment. Let's say, for example, we were to tap on location and I would like to search United States, so we can type in United States right there. You could also zone down and you could put in a particular state if you want. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can select the industry, so you could tap right here. Then you can select the industry. For example, the industry that we'll be using is business services. And by the way, you could tap on the drop down arrow and you can see different options right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down. You could also search by the amount of employees that particular company has. So let's say, for example, 51 to 100. After you have done that, you can see that the filter rate is going down. So we now have 127,000 results. You can also filter by revenue. So you could select a particular revenue. So let's say, for example, 0 to 1 million. After you have selected that, you can see that we have zoned down our search to 836 potential clients. You could also search by domain by simply putting in the domain right there. You could also search by technologies used by selecting technologies right there. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to, for example, get to know more about the company, you can simply tap on the company name. Then you can see more information right here. Also, if it is a case that you would like to, for example, check out the person's LinkedIn or so on, you could simply tap on the LinkedIn icon. So you could scroll across, tap on the LinkedIn icon, and you'll be able to view their profile. Once you're finished zoning down your search, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Find Emails in the top right-hand corner. After selecting Find Emails, you're going to toggle on Work Email, and you can also toggle on Fully Enriched Profile. After you have done that, you can select Continue. Once you have selected continue, you can see how many coins it will take. So for example, if I were to enrich it for 25 leads, it would take 50. So let's say, for example, I were to select 5 for this example. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on enter. Then I'm just going to tap on continue. Once it has been populated, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. And you're going to tap on campaigns. And you're going to create a new campaign. So you'll tap on add new. And you can give your campaign a name, then you'll select continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to this page and you're just going to tap on add leads. From here, you're going to select from super search. Then you're going to simply tap on lead list and you're going to see the list that you have saved. So you can see it right here. So we'll simply tap right here to select them. So we'll tap on select all. After you have done that, you're going to tap here on move and you're going to select move to campaign. And we're going to select the campaign. Then you're going to tap on confirm. After you have selected confirm, you can see leads are being copied to the campaign. Once they have been copied to the campaign, you'll tap on go to campaign in the top right hand corner. So we have now added our leads. You're going to tap on sequences, and this is where you'll be able to set up the emails that you would like to send. So you can tap on subject and you could type in subject, and you can also type in the email that you'd like to send. If it is a case that you would like help via AI, you can do that. So you can simply tap right here. You can tap right here right beside save, and you have the AI sequence writer. So this will allow you to use the Instantly AI to create a sequence of emails that you can send, or you can use the AI Spinax writer. So this means that each email will be customized. So you have two different options that you can choose from. After creating the emails, you could tap on Add Step from the left-hand column, and you can, for example, add a delay of a day or so, and then you could add in your second email. If it is a case that you would like to use a template, you can also do that, as you are provided with templates when it comes onto Instantly AI. To access the templates, you'll tap on templates right here. After you have tapped on templates, you can see different options. Let's say, for example, we were to select video production. After selecting video productions, you can see different templates right there. If you were to select lead generation, you can see the first email, follow-up email, and then the third email. You have different options. Let's say we were to use this one, and we're just going to tap on use template. After you have selected use template, from there you will tap on save. Then you can create a second email. So you could scroll down and you could create a third email, better yet. And we could tap on the first email, and you could also add in a template right there. So we are going to tap on templates, and let's say we were to tap on lead generation, and I'm just going to be selecting this template, as you can see right there. And you can create a list of emails that you would like to send. After you're finished, you're just going to tap on schedule, and from here you'll be able to set it up when you would like to start your outreach and when you would like to end it. And you can select the timing, and you can also select the days of the week. I would recommend that you stick with Monday to Friday, so the 5 business days. And you can also change the timing. For example, we could start with 8 a.m. to, for example, 4 p.m. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on options right here, and you can explore the different options that they offer. After doing that, you're just going to tap on launch, and you will be able to start your email outreach campaign. Another standout feature when it comes on to Instantly AI that I have to mention is by going over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can simply tap right where you see email accounts. After selecting email accounts with Instantly AI, you are given the option where you can connect unlimited accounts. So all you need to do is simply tap on Add New in the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on Add New, you have 3 options. You can either choose to manually connect your account, or you can simply tap on their done for you email setup. So you have different options that you can choose from. And Instantly AI also provides you with the option to use their warm-up feature. So now the warm-up feature allows Instantly AI to send emails from your email account, and this in turn helps to build trust with email providers, for example Outlook and Google, so your emails won't land in spam. So I would recommend that you use their warm-up feature, and you can also add unlimited emails. So instead of sending all of your outreach email from one email account, you could add multiple email accounts. So this will help to ensure even further that your emails don't end up in spam. Now let's check out the pricing when it comes on to Instantly AI. While you can get started for completely free, you can see that your outreach plan starts off at $47 per month. And with that, you'll be able to add unlimited email accounts, just like what I said, unlimited email warm-up, and over 1,000 uploaded contacts. If it is a case that you would like to use their Instantly credits, you can tap on Instantly credits right there, and it is the same $47 per month. And you can see right there 1,500 to 2,000 Instantly credits monthly. And you get access to the database of over 450,000 B2B leads, and you can see numerous features. I would recommend the growth plan, as you can see right here. And once you're set up with everything, you'll be able to go over to the left-hand menu option. You can tap on Unibox. From here, you'll be able to monitor everything. You can also tap on Analytics, and you'll be able to see the open rate, the click-through rate, and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.